In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rode Wireless Go 2 with GoPro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your GoPro in conjunction with the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphones. So, in order to do this, the main thing that you will need is this cable, which usually is provided with your Rode wireless microphone, and you will have to establish a physical connection between the GoPro and the Rode Wireless Go 2 receiver and consequently the transmitters. The thing to note is that depending on the model of GoPro that you have, you will need to purchase the media mod. So the media mod will give you access to the port where you can use that cable that I mentioned earlier. So if needed, purchase a media mod for your GoPro. Then after you install the media mod, you will have additional ports like this one that is used to establish a connection. If you look on the side of your Rode Wireless Go 2 receiver, you will also see the same port. So all that you have to do in this case is plug one end of the cable into one or two receivers, and then the other one goes into the GoPro. Of course, in this example, I have a standard camera, but it works with anything, including the GoPro. So there is no secret to this. You establish a connection between both devices using this provided cable. And as long as it is established, the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphones will work. After you connect the GoPro to the receiver, just power on the transmitters and they will automatically synchronize themselves. So you will see the status of each transmitter. You can use only one, you can use both, and if they don't pair up automatically, just input a manual connection by pressing and holding the button available. This will force them to connect with the receiver and you will be good to go. Depending on the model of camera that you have as well, you might need a 3.5mm microphone adapter, but the best way to do this is simply by using the media mod. It is straightforward, it is available for most models, and as soon as the media mod is installed, you will have access to the necessary port to get this done. So you plug one end of the cable into your Rode receivers and then the other one into the GoPro. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Rode Wireless Go 2 with GoPro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.